What's up, everybody? My name is Jonathan. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out a new tool that I just purchased online recently, and well, most of you already know it already. It's the Milwaukee M12 Rotary Hammerdrill. So this is the fuel brushless version. They do have a brushed motor version of the M12, which you can purchase through the links down below. And I'll also leave a link down below of this tool as well, where I got it. So yeah, I'm pretty behind. Everybody, we already know that this tool came out about 6-7 years ago, and I've been wanting this tool for so long. Something more portable and compact. And basically, I want to show you, well, some demonstrations of how it works and see how well it could really do the job. And it's coming right up, right after this. So, there you go. This is the Milwaukee M12 FUEL Brushless Rotary Hammerdrill. It is a 5/8 hammer drill. It's also an SDS, so it takes SDS drill bits, masonry built drill bits or steel drill bits. It has two functions. It has a drill function. As if you want to drill through steel. If you're using metal SDS bits for metal and wood, you can drill through wood, steel, any other soft material, maybe some heavy plastic. You can also switch over to the hammer drill or rotary mode. As you see, it feels pretty powerful for a little tool. It also has a working LED light, so as soon as you press the button, press the trigger, the LED light comes right on, so that way you can see what you're working on your workpiece. It also takes M12 batteries, all M12 batteries, from your 1.5 amp hour to your 6.0 amp hour. What I got here is an XC 4.0 amp hour battery, which is the choice battery I would use during long run extensive work. What I like about it is also that it has the fuel gauge in the back, so you can see and check your battery. Right now I have a full battery, it's at 100%. A lot of people get confused about, like, okay, you got 4 bars, 4 dots. How would you know what type of percentage it is? Well, if you look in your manual, in your battery charger manual, it will tell you in detail how many of the bars you have left and what are the percentages in between those bars. For instance, if I decrease down to 1 bar, I have 75% of battery life. If I'm down to 2 bars, I have 50. 3, I have 25, and I'm only down to 1 bar left. 25 to 10. Precise. This is model number 2416-20. The RPMs go from 0 to 900 RPMs per minute, or rotations per minute. Also goes from 0 to 6,200 beats per minute. Now when it says beats per minute, it's talking about the rotary option, where you start using the rotary, the hammer drill bit, for the hammer drill mode. That's how it works. So let's see how this thing puts up against the piece of rock that I got over at the construction site. So we're going to start with a quarter inch bit. This is a 1/4 inch masonry bit, SDS. I'm also going to try out the new dust trap from Milwaukee. This could catch your debris if you're working over ceilings or on walls. and also basically trap dust when you're drilling so it doesn't spread out around the work area you're in, or if you're in someone's home or property. It also comes with the vacuum port, as you can see here. I customized this piece, took a piece of the coupling, or a piece of the of a crevice tool and cut it so that way it could fit onto the port, and that way my vacuum could fit right into it. It fits pretty tight, but it's a pretty good snug fit, so it's pre-sealed. So how you put this on is you have a hole here where your bit actually sits through. So you have your bit on your hammer drill, slide it through, then you take your rubber string, and according to how long the length of the drill is, you could adjust the tightness to it and the tension, so that way it locks into, see, pretty simple. It locks around, it wobbles a little bit, but it doesn't fall off. So I'm going to attach my vacuum. And be mindful when you're using the vacuum as well. I'm going to set the drill onto this piece of concrete. I'm going to try to find a flat surface actually. That way you guys can see what I'm drilling into. Flip it over. There we go. The shroud is longer than the bit, so we can just pull the shroud back a little bit. Set the drill. And there you go. Let it retract. Turn it back. Not bad at all. It actually caught the dust too. The vacuum worked really well with this. Nice clean hole. Great thing about this drill is that you can actually, if you have an XC.0 4.0 amp hour battery or higher, you can actually get the drill to sit in place, which is pretty cool. Let's see how it does with this 1/2 inch. It's a long bit. Let's see how it does. I want to see what we can do. You definitely got to use 2 hands for this.
The one thing that this drill does not have is a chipping mode, which will be much appreciated in the future if Milwaukee features a chipping mode for their future Gen 2 M12 FUEL rotary hammer drills.
Really? Oh, there it goes, see? Whoa. It looks like it went through. It definitely went through. And there it is. Right there. It went through. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. M12 SDS Rotary Hammerdrill, guys.
Like that video? Why don't you smash that like button down below? Also, if you got any questions, leave a comment down below. If you want to see some tool reviews, tool demonstrations, or even some job site tag-alongs, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe! Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one.